Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Brew inside macOS. So you can see this is my MacBook M1. Okay, in this MacBook I am going to install Brew application, which is very important. Okay, so for that you can open the terminal, and in the terminal you have to type a command. But if you don't want to use normal terminal, you can use WRAP. Okay, WARP. So this is the stylish terminal, very stylish. You have to simply paste this one line command and press enter. You can zoom, okay, or you can just pause the video and watch the code and press enter. And when you type this, it will ask you the password. You have to type the MacBook password. And once you type the password, it will automatically install all the application required for Brew. Okay, press enter to continue or any other key to abort. So just press enter to continue. Now this will install Brew application inside your system. Done. Okay, now Brew has been successfully installed. Now you type Brew. You can see it's option or not. Okay, install host name. It's telling install Homebrew. Press enter. Okay, it's telling enter Brew to start. So press Brew here, BREW, and it's asking for enter. Okay, enter. Installing Homebrew. Okay, good. You have Xcode command line to install. Now I will install Homebrew using the official installation script. Okay, so just press run, enter key. And again it's asking the password. Type the password. You have to type the password of your MacBook. Okay, press enter. Great, Homebrew has been installed successfully. Okay, now you have to Brew command. I will run the command that are suggested of the installation output. Okay, just run. Okay, I will run. If I run this command and read the output, click on run. Okay, now again run the Brew command to check. Now you can see Brew has been successfully installed on this machine. Okay, now you can do anything using Brew. Like if you want to update the Brew, simply type Brew update. And done. Okay, so now your system is ready and you can do whatever you want with the Brew command. Thank you for watching.